Hello everyone, today we're going to show you the easy installation of a Freedom Shower grab bar. So if you have any older people in the house or handicapped, I'm going to show you the easy installation on how to do it. The tools you need are a drill, a 1/4 inch cement bit, preferably diamond bit. You will need a level, a stud finder, and a measuring tape. So it's fairly easy with those tools. When we originally built this shower, we put blocking in behind, so today we won't be using plugs. We'll be screwing directly into our studding behind. Take my little marks, preferably with a marker because it sticks better than a pencil. So I'll make one at the top and bottom. Pull that back and then we'll drill away. I generally like to use a smaller drill bit as a pilot hole to help with tile cracking, because porcelain tiles these days are very brittle, and last thing you want to do is crack a tile. So let's get started. I've marked my holes. You want to drill slowly with low pressure so you don't crack the tile. Okay, now that we've got our 4 holes drilled, always remember to caulk the existing holes that you've drilled so water doesn't get in behind it. So we will add a dab of caulking to each of them. Okay, now that we have all the holes caulked, we'll take the grab bar and we will, by hand, set the screws in the holes. And it's easy because we preset them, so you can do it by hand. So it will hold the grab bar in place while you get other screws. Okay, so we've applied 3 screws, the bottom's in place. I'm going to put the last one in. Something I forgot to mention earlier is if you buy the fiberglass Freedom Shower, it comes with wood backing, so the screws can be put right into the plywood. And here we go, our last screw. Snap our escutcheon in place, and we will give it a little silicone to keep the water out. So I like to put a little extra on, so when you set it in place, you can take your finger, which is real easy, and give it a nice, clean dab line. There you go. One installed.